Was your WordPress site erased by the ThemeGrill Demo Importer hack, taking your site from this to this? Then, when you try to log into WordPress, your username and password do not work, and you can't even reset the password because your username doesn't exist. Well, chill out, relax. We can fix this in a couple of minutes by restoring a backup, provided your site is hosted with Namecheap. If your site is hosted elsewhere, restoring a backup will also work, but the exact steps might be slightly different in your cPanel. First, log in to your cPanel. As long as you are a Namecheap customer, you will see Auto Backup at the top. In the Auto Backup page, click the drop-down menu under Automatic Restore. You should see several backups stamped with dates and time. Select a backup with a date where you are certain your site was working properly. If you select a backup that was after your site was erased, you will simply restore the hacked site, and you will need to repeat this process. Choose a date that was a week ago, several days ago, or a date that you are certain your site was working properly. Click Restore Now and wait. This process can take several minutes or several hours, so walk away and leave it alone. Once the restore is complete, you can close cPanel and navigate to your website. As long as you selected a working backup, your site should be restored. Next, log into WordPress. You can use your current username and password. From the dashboard, click Plugins. Find ThemeGrill Demo Importer. Make sure you update this plugin to version 1.6.3 or higher. You can also deactivate the plugin, as I have, or uninstall it. And that's it. You may want to change the password for WordPress just to be safe, but now your site should be back up and secure.